Hello and welcome to Wolfe GMC Buick. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2024 GMC Sierra 2500 HD SLE featured in Summit White with a jet black interior. Under the hood there's a 6.6 liter V8 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Some features include LED cargo area lighting, power park brake, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Sirius XM, and seats up to 6 passengers. Safety features include forward collision alert, lane keep assist, hill descent control, a backup camera, OnStar, SOS, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door with power lock and unlock, front and rear powered windows and powered mirrors. At the bottom we have some storage and cup holders. To the left of the driver's seat we have the power seating and power lumbar. You can take a look at the seats here and we can hop inside. Just to the left when we get inside we have our power park brake, optional 2-wheel and 4-wheel drive with trailer mode, and our lighting controls with the dial and LED cargo area lighting. We can go ahead and start it up. There in the middle is our cluster. To the right of the steering wheel we have our cluster controls as well as the hands-free Bluetooth controls. To the left we have the cruise control with forward collision alert. Moving over to the infotainment screen we can check out our radio options. Comes equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, and we can connect a phone using Bluetooth or USB. You can also take a look at the navigation. Just takes a second to load here. And there it is. Just below that we have our lane change alert, power tailgate, traction control, and the hill descent control. Below that we have the dual zone climate control with a USB-C and USB plug-in. You can also take a look at the backup camera here. Moving on to the center console here, we have 2 cup holders with some storage. We can lift this up here, some storage above. The nice part about this is we can lift this up to get a 3rd seat here, and we can also take the bottom of this seat, open it up for some extra storage. To close this seat, all we gotta do is just pull this little thing there, and it's gonna close up for us nicely. Just above here we have our rear view mirror, and just above that we have the OnStar and SOS with 2 dome lights. And here's the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are the wheels. Sierra HD badging along the bottom, black mirror caps and color matched door handles with keyless entry, and of course privacy tint on the rear windows. Corner steps on the side here so we can access the bed from the side. And if we move to the back here, we have our rear bumper corner steps for easier access. You can also check out the exhaust here. And of course it's a multi-pro tailgate, meaning that this compartment will fold down as well. I will show you in 1 minute here. We're just gonna open this up here. Tons of space back here. We also got the handle here for easier access. So like I was saying before, if we press the bottom, it's gonna drop down for us here. We can push this in and drop it down, and we can steps up to the bed. Super convenient. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door with powered windows, some storage and cup holder below, and of course we can move these seats up to get some extra storage in the back here. And here are the seats. We go ahead and hop inside. Behind each seat we have magazine holders. At the bottom here we have our rear vents with a USB-C and USB plug-in, as well as a 3-prong plug-in. Of course on either side we got the handles, 2 dome lights at the top, and here's the view from the back. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2024 GMC Sierra 2500 HD SLE. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and we hope to see you at Wolfe GMC Buick very soon.